Hi all, my name is Nikki. I would like to provide you with some instruction on how to execute an East Coast Swing basic, combined with an underarm turn. The East Coast Swing footwork is as follows. The first 3 quicks, or chassis, are executed over 1 slow beat, or 2 quick beats of the music. The second 3 quicks, or chassis, are executed the next musical slow or 2 quick beats. The back step and subsequent rock forward are both executed to quick beats of the music. The total number of musical beats taken to execute an East Coast Swing basic is 6. The number of steps taken is 8. The East Coast Swing or Chassy Jive underarm turn, for the lady, is led by the lead immediately after the back rock, by rotating the lady 90 degrees anti-clockwise for the first 3 chassis. Then 90 degrees clockwise under the lead's arm for the second 3 chassis. The back rocks are then executed 90 degrees to the lead. The return journey for the lady is a direct reversal of the outward journey. Perfect the footwork before trying to fit to music. Use really slow music when you start practicing the steps.